Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm MT that beauty. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you for watching my video. This channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. So if you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. This video is for all my ladies that want to have a flawless skin but don't want to break the bank. Okay, so this is skincare on a budget. So if you like videos like this, please keep on watching. The first step to a skincare routine on a budget is cleansing. So washing your face is a very important step in having a flawless and clear skin. This is because it helps get rid of impurities, dirt, and also it preps your skin for treatment. So one of our budget friendly item in cleansing is water. Water is very affordable for everybody, so it's either free or it costs $1 or maybe $2 if you want to buy a bottle of water, but you can use the tap water to wash your face. So alongside the cleansing product that I will recommend using with water, because sometimes water alone doesn't get rid of all the impurities on your face. So one of the items that I will recommend you using on a budget is the Morning Bath Facial Cleanser. I have used this cleanser for 5 years now, and I will swear by this cleanser. It is affordable. It costs $5.99 in Target, but on Amazon it costs $9.99 because it comes with a nighttime cleanser. It contains ginseng and vitamin C. We all know vitamin C helps to brighten your skin and get rid of dark spots, and it also have those little bits in them that also helps to gently exfoliate your skin. This cleanser is recommended for people who have normal to oily skin, and it's very hypoallergenic. That means a lot of people are not allergic to that product. So I recommend this product for anybody to use with water to get rid of impurities and keep your face clean and fresh for our next step. So the next step after cleansing your face is prepping your face. That is using a toner. So a toner is actually optional. I always love using a toner because it really helps get rid of any impurities that the cleanser couldn't really get rid of them, and also it helps prep my skin for the treatment ahead. It balances the pH level on my face. So one of the toners that I recommend is the Dixon's Witch Hazel toner. I'm going to put all the products, the link in the description box. So the Witch Hazel toner is very affordable. I think it costs about $5.99. I'll put the price too, but it's very affordable for anybody that wants to have an affordable toner to always use every day for your face. But one thing I would say that I feel after using that toner is it leaves a tingling feeling on my face that sometimes I don't really like. But for some people, my husband uses it and he doesn't feel it, so I do. So it depends on you, but I would recommend that because you also have witch hazel, which is a very important ingredient, and it helps with the skin tone with your face using either you just put it on your face or you use a cotton pad. And whenever you wipe your face with toner, trust me, you will see extra dirt that is gonna come off from your skin after washing your face. Sometimes you ask yourself if the cleanser actually works, but that's what the toner does. It gets rid of those extra impurities, and also it preps your skin so that the skin can absorb the next item or the next products that you're going to use on your face. The next skincare step after using the toner is treatment. So treatment now, it comes depending on your skin situation. So if you have acne, this video is not really for you, because this video is for people who have like normal to combination skin. No, you don't have a lot of problem on your skin, you just want a flawless and a bright skin. But if you have like acne pro skin, I recommend you waiting. I have a video for you for products that you can use on a budget that has really helped me. Trust me, I have had my times that I've had acne on my face as well. I'm gonna show you a picture if I find it, where I've really had acne on my face, and trust me, it is not fun. So I'm gonna show you guys products I also use for acne prone skin. But this video is for people that don't really have a lot of complications on their face. So I will recommend you treating your face, that is using a serum. So the serum that I use, like now that I don't really have any complication going on my face, I use vitamin C. And this is a budget friendly video. So the vitamin C that I use is Eclat's vitamin C. I will swear by this vitamin C. I've used different vitamin C's, but this one is very good for the skin. It brightens your skin, it gets rid of the dark spot, and it leaves your skin soft, moisturized, and it leaves your skin plump. The other ones are good vitamin C. It brightens your skin, it gets rid of dark spot, but it leaves the skin dry. That is why I don't really love the other vitamin C's that I've used. So since I discovered these ones I'm recommending to you, I've stick by this vitamin C. It's really good and it's affordable as well. You can get it on Amazon. The link will be put in my description box below. You wash your face, you tone your face, then you use a serum. The next thing that you can use is a moisturizer. Of course, we all know you need to moisturize your face. This will keep your face looking young and, you know, well hydrated. So the moisturizer that I'm gonna recommend is the CeraVe AM moisturizer that comes with the sunscreen. The reason why I'm recommending this one because it's 2-in-1. So it doesn't only moisturize, but it comes with an SPF 30 for sunscreen. You cannot complete a skincare routine without having a sunscreen on your face because it's just waste of time. The sun is really gonna burn your face and you're gonna have dark spots and you go back to square one. So you don't want that. So you want to moisturize your face and use an SPF. So this is why I'm recommending this product because it's very budget friendly because it has a moisturizer as well as sunscreen protector 2-in-1. And not only that, it also has hyaluronic acid, which I said is very good for the skin. It hydrates the skin. It has ceramide and it has niacinamide. All these acids are very good for the skin. It keeps the skin hydrated and keeps the skin clear and flawless. Just want to mention that this moisturizer leaves white cast and particles on your face if your serum is not well dry before you apply it. So make sure that your serum is well dry. If you have a normal combination skin and you're looking for products that will not cause you to break the bank, these are the products that I recommend because I've used them. It's worked for me. Let me know after you use them if it worked for you. If it doesn't work for you, I have more videos that I'm gonna upload for, you know, you guys to use, but some of those things that I used to cost a little bit more, just so you guys know. But these are the items that cost like less than $30. So yes guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe on your way out, and let me know if the other products that you have used, you know, even if it's less than $30 or not, please comment below and I will check them out and I'll try to use them and let you guys know what I think. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, and yes, bye guys. Mwah.